Hey, what's up everybody? 2016 Honda Accord. I'm going to show you how to pair your phone to your radio with Bluetooth. I'm going to be using an Android, but I imagine on a Apple iPhone it wouldn't be too much different. First, on your phone, make sure your Bluetooth is turned on. Turn on Bluetooth. Okay, so on your radio, you could hit the home button, which will pull up this screen. We're going to go to settings. Then we're going to go to Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. And then make sure you're on the Bluetooth tab. We'll go to Bluetooth and then go to Bluetooth device list. Now, if you have phones connected, they'll be like listed here. And if you're adding your phone, we'll go to add Bluetooth. And then if you have, real quick, if there's like a list in here you want to get rid of, you can click on it and then go to delete, and that'll delete the previous phone. Or if you want to delete your phone out of here at any time, that's how you delete the list. That way the car won't try to connect to those phones when that phone is nearby when the car starts. So let's go to add Bluetooth device. Make sure Bluetooth is turned on our phone. We did. And then, we'll hit OK. It's going to search for the phone. And then also on your phone, you could search for the radio. So on my phone, I'm going to go to settings right here. Go to connected devices. And then we go to pair new device. So my phone's going to be looking for the radio, and then when my phone's looking for the radio, I could look for the radio. I think it's called HandsFreeLink on here, and then I could connect from my phone there. But your radio might find your phone. My phone's called test phone, so I'm going to hit yes. And it's going to say, hey, I sent a number to your phone. Make sure it's the right one. Here it is on my phone, so I'm going to hit pair. And then the car is called HandsFreeLink. And then it'll say the pairing was successful. And then it might ask you for do you want to see text messages pop up or crash detection on? You can just, I put this stuff on, it's whatever. You don't have to though. But then you're all set. So then when you want to listen to music, you just go to home and then go to source. And then you'll just click Bluetooth. And then you can listen to your music. Here's a cool beat that I made I like to listen to. And then you should be all good to go. Guys, that's all the information I got for you. The rest of the video is just some products and other stuff I got going on. Totally up to you if you want to stick around. I got a 15% off Oxido.com promo code. Now, Oxido has a bunch of products, but what they're mostly known for is their really good aftermarket headlights. So if you got an older car, 80s, 90s, 2000s, even a newer car, if it has a bulb, they probably got an upgraded bulb for you. You may have seen aftermarket LED headlights on Amazon, but the thing, I'm not going to say any names, but the thing is, they have a lot of issues. Sometimes they start to flicker after a few months, or they get hot and the LED burns off. Oxido headlights come with integrated fans and modules that control all that stuff. So these are plug and play, super easy to put in. These are available on Amazon. You can get them there. However, if you go to the website and use the promo code Guillermo Auto, you can get 15% off. It's really easy. All you got to do is go to the website on your phone or your computer and then put in what kind of car you have, what year, make and model, that stuff, and then it'll display to you all the available lights for your vehicle. You can get headlights, tail lights, interior lights. Highly recommend getting some good interior lights. You'll be surprised how bright it is. So just type Guillermo Auto in at the checkout and you'll get 15% off.
Pretty good.